from the Lakeside Newsroom of the Henrico Citizen, your hometown news source since 2001. This is the Henrico News Minute with publisher Tom Lapis.
The Henrico School Board sets its proposed budget for the coming school year. We'll tell you about it in today's Henrico News Minute. It's Monday, March 2nd, 2026. We're looking at a high of 46 today. There will be rain and even a chance of snow later on. The News Minute is brought to you today by Leah Brand & Company Candles.
And now for the news.
Last week, the Henrico School Board approved a proposed budget of nearly $1 billion for the coming school year, which will be considered by the Board of Supervisors later this spring. It's a $32 million proposed increase from the current fiscal budget and would add about 109 new staff positions, a sharp contrast to budget proposals from neighboring divisions. Richmond is set to lay off 61 people, and Hanover is planning to cut several mental health positions. Among the proposed additions would be 50 more English learner teachers, 27 new exceptional education teachers and instructional assistants, 17 new positions for the living building at Wilton Farm in Verina, 14 new elementary positions, and 6 new positions for a new cybersecurity center. The plan also would add 5 school counselors and 5 school maintenance positions. Even though the school system has seen a slight decrease in student enrollment, it's continued to increase its budget each year because the number of English learner students and those with disabilities has steadily grown. According to HCPS Chief Financial Officer John Wack, the school board also would add nearly $19 million to the budget to prevent employees from paying higher health care costs. Overall, about 10% of the proposed budget goes toward health care benefits, according to Superintendent Amy Cashwell. You can read much more about the budget proposal right now on our website, henricocitizen.com, from our government and education reporter, Leanna Hardy. A Friday morning fire displaced a family after it broke out in a bedroom at a Henrico apartment complex. It happened in the 2200 block of Park Trail Lane, just off Mechanicsville Turnpike near the Henrico-Hanover line, just after 8 a.m. that day. The fire was contained to one apartment. Management at the complex is working to rehouse the displaced family. Henrico Schools also has made a new hire, bringing Fairfax's Michelle Boyd as its new chief of staff, according to a press release last week. That follows the departure of previous chief of staff Holly Coy, who left to take the same role with the Virginia Department of Education. Boyd currently serves as a regional assistant superintendent for Fairfax County Public Schools and previously has held leadership roles in special education programs at Fairfax and Charlottesville. She began her career as a special education teacher. And a Richmond mother said she and her sister were dropping their cousin off in Henrico County last weekend when 2 people in another car began to shoot at them. It happened off Asrock Court near Williamsburg Road. The 2 women were not hurt. They were able to call police and escape from the situation, but still have no idea why they were targeted. You can read more about their story right now on our website, henricocitizen.com, from our partners at WTVR. And today is the first of 3 sessions that will be held each Monday for the next 3 weeks from Henrico County Public Schools Family Resource Center called Begin Raising Calm. It's a practical, hands-on experience designed to help families and school staffers navigate stress, urgency, and the constant noise of daily life. The series will be held tonight, next Monday, and the following Monday from 6 to 8 p.m. at the Oak Avenue Complex at 15 South Oak Avenue in Highland Springs. You can learn more and register at tinyurl.com/FRCRC26. Today's Henrico News Minute has been brought to you by Leah Brand & Company Candles, hand-poured in Richmond, Virginia. Discover clean-burning, vegan, eco-friendly candles with luxurious scents, perfect for any season. Don't miss out on their limited fall scents featuring glamping, drunken apple, and peppermint chip. Visit leahbrandcompany.com, that's Leabrand company.com, and light up your space naturally.